Hey guys, it's me again. I got you with another ceiling fan. This one is a 42-inch. This is the second one of the two that I got from the Habitat Restore. This one's a 42-inch Quarom. If you can tell by the pendant right there, it actually says Quarom on the top of the motor housing. If any of you guys know what model or what model name this fan is, hit me up in the comments below. Fan is made in Taiwan, and I think I know the brand of the Snow White one that is sitting right there. Here's the instruction manual. The designing edge. So, yeah, that's the name of this fan. Also made in Taiwan. A lot of these fans are made in Taiwan. 42-inch with white blades. This kind of reminds me of my Craft Made. This one has a wobble to it because the motor, spinner motor, is actually kind of warped. So it kind of wobbles. You can see in there, it's also brass in there. Let's see if you could see. It is a Quarom. Made in Taiwan. So it is a pretty odd fan. This thing, you would think this is a decent performer. Looks like a 12-degree blade pitch on this thing. You think this would be a decent performer. But this is a flaming turd. I'll show you in a second. So we'll go ahead and start this fan off on low speed. It moves decent air on low speed, but high is very weak compared to the last fan, which is still in here, as you saw. Performance on low is decent. I mean, it's moving air, I can feel it, but it does spin a little fast too, so we'll go ahead and kick it up to medium. And this is where the wobble begins. This fan has a running moan, and if you are wondering what that tapping sound is, it is raining outside. Performance on medium could be a little bit improved, but otherwise, speed-wise, it's average. So we'll go ahead and kick it up to high. Probably can't hear the running moan from all the rain. This thing moves pretty fast on high, I'd say. And the performance is, it could be improved. This thing does fly. So we're going to go ahead and reverse it. does torque a little bit. Torque. And it doesn't reverse as fast as the Designing Edge. You can probably hear the running moan. Probably not, but this is, when I reverse it back, it'll make it a little bit louder. So we'll go ahead and shut it down now. I'm not sure if you're hearing that. Alrighty, so there you go. So there's my 42-inch brass and white with white blades Quarom ceiling fan. So hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon. So hope you guys enjoyed. Out.